Are your apps stuck and not updating on the Google Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to fix the problem in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. Step 1. Restart your phone first. Press and hold the power button on your phone. Then tap on the restart option. Restarting your device helps clear temporary glitches and background errors that may be stopping updates. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but it must be strong and stable. If your internet is slow or disconnected, apps will not update properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Step 3. Clear Play Store cache and data. Now go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps Manager. Find and open Google Play Store. Tap on Storage. Then click Clear Cache first. After that, tap Clear Data. This step removes corrupted files and resets the Play Store, which often fixes update issues. Step 4. Update Play Store manually. Open the Play Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap About. Find Play Store version and tap on it. If an update is available, it will start updating automatically. Step 5. Update apps manually. Go back to the Play Store home screen. Tap on your profile icon again and select Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Updates Available. You will see a list of apps that need updates. You can either update them one by one or tap Update All. That's it. Your problem should now be fixed and your apps will update smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.